They had a problem of getting the soil analysis on time. So we addressed this through an ICT systems where now the day the soil is being analyzed in the lab, the result will be available to the farmers either through their mobile or if they have access to the net. The same day it is made available. So we reduced the time gap from 40 days to 3 days, the analyzing time. So that is one of the challenge we have addressed by using the ICT systems. This is a typical architecture where we have different soil testing labs. They are, the various analysis reports are being mounted to a centralized database server. From there, we use different algorithms to compute, based on the package of practices and various scientific permutations and combinations. Then the recommendations are being created, is being supplied to the farmers as soil health card as well as the online. And this is to talk about the television program. In fact, this is the first government stamped television program started in the year 2003. We just finished 342 episodes during the last 7 years, and we also provide 2 repeat telecasts. This has been in collaboration with one of the leading commercial channel in Kerala called Asianet, and now the program reaches to the latest TAM rating shows. There are 48 lakhs viewers we have, regular viewers, and also you can think how best you can reach to a maximum number of people within a short period. Let's say 25 minutes, you could reach to 50 lakhs people. And also the program now is available globally around 66 countries. Now it's getting signals are being grown, and it's totally in-house production. One of the USB of this program is the entire production cycle is supervised and managed by the agriculture experts. You don't find this uniqueness in none of other agriculture programs in the country or any other channels where most of these programs are produced by either a separate journalist or a group of people, and they produce the program. But in our case, this entire program is produced by, I'll take 2 more minutes if you don't mind. Okay. And this is one of the features we have been doing it. And we also have a largest digital video archive with more than 2,000 hours of videos to access it. And I don't have to tell you something about the unique advantages of the television. You can reach to the people at the shortest time. And of course, seeing is believing. Farmers are very much interested towards the video-based contents. And of course, we have tele-advisory services where the agriculture experts are being directly attended by the calls. Then, coming to the mobile, and we have an integrated mobile platform where the text, voice, and video-based contents are pumped. And so you can choose which type of content you would like to receive, whether you want to take it as SMS-based, text-based contents, or a voice-based or a video-based. So we have a service platform where all the things are being shared. If you look at these figures, this is the figure as on 30th June. This is the mobile penetration, mobile statistics in Kerala. We have around 2 million subscribers. The tele density is around 72 per 100, and there is a monthly growth rate of 3.5% or 3.2% as a monthly growth. So how are you reaching to these people? So around 22 lakhs, 2 crores farmers or general public. So we have a platform where you have all the informations, like you choose whether you want a text-based or an audio-based or a video-based contents is available to you. And we have a pull as well as the push-based services. I'm skipping some of these things because of the time. The chairman is putting me alert. And these are some of the formats on which you could access to the pull-based as well as the push-based contents. And this is in collaboration with Google. This is the first branded agriculture video channel in the YouTube. This is a branded channel where you don't find any advertisements. This is the first channel in collaboration with YouTube, thanks to Google. And we have mounted around 150 full-length videos in agriculture in the telecast quality. Is whatever the videos we telecast, that automatically get mounted to the YouTube, so where people can get access to that. From the last several months, we have seen around more than 8 lakhs downloads alone from this channel. And we cover almost all the topics on agriculture. So this is the catalog which you can go and pick up the contents and download if you want to reuse it. And of course, we are using radio as well. We are in collaboration with All India Radio as well as some of the FM channels where we put some of our contents. And also, for your information, Government of Kerala is now planning to launch a separate, dedicated FM channel for agriculture. It's called Radio Kutanad. It will be implemented, and we are in collaboration with the department to launch this channel. And we have a lot of success stories on different, since because we don't have time, I'm not getting into that success stories, how Kisan has helped this group or an individual farmers to overcome some of their challenges. And some of the key achievements, if you look at it, we have different platforms we have achieved more than what the objectives is. And also from the last several years of journey, we have won several awards. And first Kerala State E-Governance Award, and we were the winners on the last eINDIA Award on Best ICT Enabled Agriculture Initiatives, and South Asian Award for Mandan Award, and this PC Coast Award for the year 2007, ICR recognition, and Krishi Deepam has been ranked under the best 9 programs of the Asianet. And thank you very much. If you have any questions, I would like to answer.
Thank you, Mr. Kumar. So, any questions for Mr. Kumar?
It's a tough time to, it's been 7 minutes, yeah.
I'm Dr. Sneha Nalla. I've come from Nallamala Reddy Engineering College. So as of my research on agricultural economics as such, so my topic was capital formation in Indian agriculture. So we don't find much capital formation as such. How effective is your website towards the farmer? Can a farmer directly use your website?
They have been using it. They have been using it. And
So-
as I
so
said,
as
yeah, please.
we feel that based on the illiteracy rate as such, so as I have seen your website as such,
Okay.
so most of it is written as I have seen. So it's not something more pictorial as such.
Okay.
So that has to be to that extent so that the farmer understands it well. If at all, if he accesses it, it might be in the form of nowadays we feel the mobiles which are available with each and every farmer as such. So if it is something like a mobile version with more pictorial content into it, then a farmer will definitely have an advantage over it, as we need to look into the illiteracy aspect also. So this is what I would like to thank you.
Let's take another question.
So you mentioned there's 100% broadband penetration in the villages.
Yeah.
What is the data bandwidth rate?
It started from 512 KB and sometimes it's 1 MB. It depends on the, most of cases it's wireless.
So for the videos that you mentioned, the channels on the YouTube,
Yeah.
how much time and average does it take to download?
Because
those?
YouTube has 2 versions. One is you have a good connectivity, you can go for a higher version. And if you have a lower bandwidth like a 512, you could get a normal version. It doesn't take much of time. The streaming is quite comfortable with that. We are tested in both the cases.
Okay. Thank you.
And
Can I answer to this? Yeah. To answer Dr. your question, like we are working on to launch a mobile version of the portal, but then there have been quite use of the farmers from the portal. Like they have been interacting. We are on 20,000 questions. In fact, is being posted by the farmers. But in Kerala, we have a little kind of exception. Maybe, yeah, absolutely right. But this portal, the focus is more towards the Kerala. But obviously, we are getting more response from the other states as well.
Okay.
Definitely, this mobile version we are working on it, and we will be releasing it.
It has to be something like more pictorial.
That's right. Yeah,
An
yeah,
illiterate media,
that's right.
an illiterate can
Yeah.
access. So nowadays, as such, we see the mobile phones as such. So they have access. They can access. They can work on the ringtones and everything. But coming to the content as such, any website, so they cannot go towards that. So it has to reach that level.
In fact,
So
we
that
are
everyone
working.
understands the technology
Correct.
as such.
I fully agree with you. In fact, we are working on the new version of this portal. As you said, it's fully with pictorial representation of things.
That's it.
Correct.
okay, thank you.